Continuing on from the last video, a walk round. I was just saying that that's the starter motor there, sitting just there, horn there, and then you've got the water tank here and radiator, and you check the water level to the water cooling system, which you can't see because the light's terrible. Hang on a second. See that? Got a torch on it, maybe, I don't know. No? Does that help? Where? It's over there. It's got a red line on it. Just about see it, I hope. Anyway. There it is. You can see the red line on it. I need to top it up just a little bit, but that's where you find it. It's quite important. Working my way around. There's a radiator again. This is a few more bits that's useful to know. Is you have the OBD port for your scanner to plug in, 3-pin. It's one of the adapters, it's 3-pin. Then you've got live and positive leads leading to battery to run it, and then you plug your scanner in as normal. So that's where it's situated. You just unplug it and then take the top off. So that's quite neat. And then obviously you've got the battery here as stated. It's a good traditional battery. Got the fans there. You've got this here, which is the big air box, taking the air through to the injectors. And then you have around here water pump just there, access to crank, and then under here you've got obviously exhaust pipe, rear stand. Again, you've got the adjustment, of course, you've got the adjustment for your pegs here, just here. I've put a 12 volt checker on there just to make sure the voltage. I'm going to keep an eye on the voltage and also make sure when it's charging. Earth lead just there. Okay, that's about it. Same adjuster. Obviously there's a lot more to it, but they're the main sort of things that it's useful to know underneath the actual fairing, both sides. Yeah, I'll just show you the oil which they recommend. This is actually, I'm now actually using, this is recommended by Ducati. That's the one. 100% synthetic, 1040 Shell Advance. Of course you can use what you like, something similar. But I thought, well, actually the price has come down nicely, so I thought I'd use what they actually recommend. So we'll see. And the filter is just here. This is the old one which I've taken off just to show what size filter you have to use for the 999 and 99S. So it's the whatever make you like, but it's, I find the high flow good value, and it does the job. And it's HF153RC. That's a normal filter, which I've just taken out. I usually change the filter when I change the oil. It's just a motorcycle thing. I think it's a good idea. So yeah, it's got stick coils leading to, as you can see there, the horizontal cylinder, and that there is the stick coil that you undo, unplug, pull out, and then access the front spark plug, which is quite easy once you get used to it. And the vertical cylinder is under there, of course, the spark plug access and the stick coil. You just need to undo various bits under the seat and then just lift the tank. You can just pivot the tank upwards just to get enough access to get at the spark plug. You don't have to take everything off. It's just undoing here to be able to lift the tank up slightly. And that's really about it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that's helped someone that just gained a 999 or 999S or 949. So yeah, hope that helps. It certainly would have helped me if I'd had a video like that just to access all the maintenance stuff. Thanks for watching, and please give it a ticks up for watching. Thank you.